As you watch this video, thousands of companies are quietly replacing their workers with AI. No announcements, no warnings, just gone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which 10 jobs will disappear by 2027. And if your job is on this list, you need to hear this. Job number 1, customer service reps. Companies like Amazon and Apple are already using AI chatbots that handle millions of calls per day. They don't take breaks, they don't ask for raises, and they're getting smarter every single month. Human customer service agents are being let go at a rate never seen before. Job number 2, data entry workers. If your job involves typing information from one place to another, AI does this 100 times faster with 0 errors. This job is already 80% automated in major corporations. Job number 3 is bank tellers. ATM started this. AI is finishing it. Banks are closing branches worldwide. JP Morgan alone cut thousands of teller positions last year and replaced them with automated systems. Job number 4, truck drivers. Tesla, Waymo, and Amazon are all testing self-driving trucks right now on real highways. 3.5 million truck drivers in America alone are at risk. This is the biggest job loss coming in history. Job number 5, journalists and writers. News agencies are already publishing AI-written articles. The Associated Press publishes thousands of AI stories every month. If it can be written, AI will write it. Job number 6, accountants. Software like QuickBooks AI and new tools can now do tax returns, audits, and financial reports automatically. A job that took years to master is now being done in seconds. Job number 7, graphic designers. Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, DALL-E. A logo that cost $500 now costs $0 and takes 10 seconds. Thousands of freelance designers have already lost their income. Job number 8, translators. Google Translate used to be a joke. Now AI translation is so accurate that major international companies have eliminated entire translation departments. 100% gone. Job number 9, radiologists. This one shocks people. AI can now detect cancer in scans more accurately than human doctors. Hospitals are beginning to use AI as the first reader of every scan. The role of the radiologist is shrinking fast. Job number 10, teachers and tutors. AI tutors like Khan Academy's Khan Migo can teach any subject at any level to any student, 24 hours a day for almost free. The private tutoring industry is already collapsing. So what can you do? The people who survive this aren't the ones who ignore AI, they're the ones who learn to use it. Start today, because 2027 is closer than you think. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe, because next week we're revealing which jobs AI can never replace. You don't want to miss that.